So hello everyone, so I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace this door card on a Lexus RX 400 hybrid. So same applies to the RX 300, 350 etc. It's basically this model. So if you got this RX, same principles apply. So to get this off, we've got two screws you've got to get rid of. So you got this little cover here, it's a bit grimy, isn't it? So I'll put it there. Watch out for my video on how to clean this up, by the way. So you got this screw here, and then you've got another one here. You got to take this cover off. So if I just show you, I've loosened this already. So basically it should come off. There you go. So once you pry it off, you got that screw there. Take that screw off, and then so my video cut out. So what I was trying to say was, just around here, once you've taken the screws out, you just literally put your hands there and pull against the tabs, or of course you can use the trim puller pieces. So you just pull out each side and it should pop out. So I'm just going to do that. And before I do, obviously I'm going to have to lift this off. So let me just do that now. Actually, I'm going to try and video this. Let me try at this angle. Obviously, I would suggest you use a plastic trim piece. So I'm doing this, but please don't do this the way I am. Make sure you use a plastic trim piece, because you could scratch here if you're not careful. So I'm going to be ultra careful and do this. Because I think I'm a pro. Well, I'm not, but you know. There you go. So that's come up. So you lift that up and you just take off the connectors here. If I can see, there you go. You just press that and pull it out. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. Nope, I can't do it. But basically, there's the tab there. You just push that down, pull it out, but you need both hands. So I'm just going to do that now. So there you have it. There's the tab there. So I have to do both hands. So what you do is, see this tab here, with one hand you push it down, and with the other you just wiggle it out while holding that, and it comes off quite easy. So now that's done, I can get on with unscrewing that, then I'm just gonna pull the panel off. Let's see, wish me luck. Okay, so I did use trim pieces in the end, do it properly, do you know what I mean? So now I have to take these pins off that hold the door release, and then disconnect the speaker through that pin there, and that's just like the other one where you just depress the pin. These ones I can't video it, sorry. That I just literally push that forward that way, and then the pin, that bulb that you can see there that I'm pointing at, just pops out, and the same for the green bit, and that should release the door handle. So I'll try that now. So that was quite easy. So I'll release these two, and this was the pin for the speaker. As you can see, you just literally, all I did was press down on this top bit here, and it just popped out. So nice and easy. So what I've got to do is get these poppers out all around. There's some that have stayed in, like here and here, so I have to take them out so that I can put it onto the new door panel. And in terms of these, all I did was, these plastic pieces, the white and the green, where they're hooked in there and hooked in there, you just literally just pull them off, and then it's just literally they pop out. It's as simple as that. So this only took like a couple of minutes. Okay, I hope I haven't jinxed myself in putting it back. So the reverse process to put it all back. And if you're ever mistaken that Lexus is owned by Toyota, look. There you go. Anyway, it's a good quality car, so I'm not going to say anything. Right, let's put it back in now. Right, so after a great deal of faffing about, finally managed to get it in. There's the old one. That was difficult, my goodness, a lot more difficult than I expected. So it was really hard getting this slid in. I had to angle it up like this on this side. With my left arm I held this down, just slid it in, and then once you did slide it in, of course there's this nice little clip to it, so you know it's in. And but before I did that, obviously I connected up the locking mechanism first, and then the little control that was up there for the stereo, the little clip. So that's done, and last I have to do now is I've put the screw in there. There's the screw to tighten there, clip the electric window button there, and then all around what I did was I just went like that and pinged all the things back in. So that's that done now. So now I need to put the connector in there for the electric window. So I'll try and do it while I'm filming, hopefully it works. So it's quite simple really, just got to click that in. That's it. So then what I need to do is nice reassuring click, and she's done. All I have to do is screw that on and job's a good one. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.